So we are going to study now a short topic which is called as adductor canal. Adductor canal, also called as hunter's canal. Nothing to do with hunters who do the hunting. It was John Hunter who was a surgeon and he discovered this hunter's canal where he ligated the femoral artery. Okay, also called as subsartorial canal. Subsartorial canal. So if we see the anatomy of the thigh, this is the sartorius muscle, and then here is the adductor longus muscle, and here is the femoral triangle. And where the apex where the femoral triangle ends, in this region below the sartorius, this is the location of subsartorial canal. That means here is somewhere vastus medialis, okay, which will form the anterior boundary, and sartorius will be on the medial side because sartorius goes like this, medial. So if I take a cross section in this area, the cross section looks somewhat like this. This is the femur, and then this is vastus medialis. This is anterior, and this is posterior. And here is adductor longus. Behind adductor longus is a huge muscle, adductor magnus. And here is a band connecting vastus medialis and adductor longus. And beyond this band on the medial side is sartorius. Okay. So when we talk about the boundaries of this canal, we say anterior wall is formed by vastus medialis. Posterior is formed by adductor longus. And medially is sartorius, and here is subsartorial plexus of longus. So most of the contents from here, the femoral vein is lying like this, and the femoral artery actually passes over the femoral vein. It is lateral initially, and in this region it almost passes medial because lower limbs they turn like this. So even the artery and vein which are like this, if this is the artery, this is the vein, they also turn like this. So artery is now coming over the vein. Okay, so in this region we see the artery anteriorly and the vein posterior. The content of the femoral triangle and adductor canal, most of them remain same in femoral artery and femoral vein. Okay, here we see the two branches of the obturator nerve. Okay, two branches of the obturator. So when we talk about the boundaries, of the adductor canal, anteriorly is vastus medialis, posteriorly is adductor longus and adductor magnus, and medially is sartorius. Okay. And what are the contents? Femoral artery with its seventh branch. When we discuss the femoral artery, we said 6 branches are given in the femoral triangle. Seventh branch is called as descending genicular artery. This descending genicular artery is a branch of femoral artery, and genu means bend, genicular means it will supply the knee. Okay, then there is femoral vein. Okay, then there is saphenous nerve. Saphenous nerve. So there is no femoral nerve over here because femoral nerve, when it enters the femoral triangle, it immediately divides. So its branch, saphenous nerve, will be here. Nerve to vastus medialis will be here. Okay, two divisions of obturator nerve will be here. Okay, and there will be subsartorial plexus of nerves below the sartorius. The clinical anatomy of this is that it is in this area that femoral artery is exposed for surgical procedure. And if it is ligated, there are again, like in upper limb we saw anastomosis. If femoral artery had to be ligated for emergency purposes in this region, it's very easy. Take a cut here, and below the sartorius you will find the below the lateral sartorius is forming the medial boundary. Immediately here we find the femoral artery for ligation. But then the perforating arteries, lateral circumflex femoral arteries, and all this anastomosis with the descending genicular arteries, they will continue the circulation to the lower parts of the lower limb. So that's all about the adductor canal. Adductor canal, also called as subsartorial canal, also called as Hunter's canal. It was discovered by John Hunter for ligating the femoral artery in case of popliteal aneurysm. What is popliteal aneurysm? Femoral artery will further continue as popliteal artery. So if any problem, there is aneurysm of the popliteal artery which can burst, so better to ligate the femoral artery in this region. So he therefore found this canal, so called as Hunter's canal. Its anterior boundary is formed by vastus medialis, posterior boundary is formed by adductor longus, medial boundary is formed by sartorius. Below that is subsartorial plexus of vein. Contains its femoral artery with its seventh branch, descending genicular artery, femoral vein, saphenous nerve to vastus medialis, and two divisions of obturator canal. Applied anatomy, this canal is used for ligating the femoral artery and for various surgical procedures on the femoral artery to expose the femoral artery. This canal is used.